Your Epson printer keeps refusing to connect to Wi-Fi, but you don't know how to fix it. If this sounds like you, take a deep breath because you're about to see how to fix it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 4 different solutions that work for most Epson Wi-Fi connection problems. We'll start simple and work our way to the most advanced fixes. One of these is definitely going to get your Epson printer back to network. If none of them works, call the numbers on your screen for expert help. Let's fix this. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Reset your printer with a power cycle. Turn off your Epson printer completely by pressing the power button. Walk around to the back and unplug the power cable from the printer. Wait for 5 full minutes with the printer unplugged. This gives it time to fully discharge and reset all its internal systems. Plug the car cable into the printer and wall outlet. Turn your printer back on and try reconnecting to Wi-Fi network. If that simple reset didn't work, let's try doing a simple factory reset on your printer. Method 2. Perform a complete factory reset. On your printer's display screen, scroll through the menu and open Settings. Scroll down and find Restore Default Settings and tap on it to access the reset options. Select Clear All Data and Settings to remove everything and return to factory defaults. Press OK to confirm the reset and follow any remaining on-screen instructions that appear. If resetting didn't solve the Wi-Fi issue, your router settings might be preventing your printer from connecting. Method 3. Check and adjust the Wi-Fi settings. Check if your router has MAC address filtering enabled and make sure your printer's MAC address is on the allowed list. If your Wi-Fi network name contains any special symbols or characters, rename it to something simple without any special characters. Still having troubles after these fixes? Your printer's firmware might be outdated and need updating. Let me show you how to do this. Method 4. Update your printer's firmware. Use a USB cable to connect your Epson printer directly to your computer. Open your web browser, go to the official Epson firmware update page. Scroll down and look for the Epson software updater section. Click Download it here to access the download. Scroll down to the next page and click the download button that matches your computer's operating system. Choose where you want to save the file on your computer and click the Save It to download it. Once the download completes, find the file in your Downloads folder, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. When prompted, click Agree and then press OK to proceed to launching the updater. The Epson Software Updater window, find and select your printer model from the list provided. Check the boxes next to the firmware updater and uncheck all the other options, then click Install Items. Click Agree and then press OK to confirm and begin the installation process. Read through the on-screen instructions and precautions carefully before moving forward with the update. Click the up arrow in your taskbar's notification area to remove hidden icons. Right-click the printer icon and select Open All Active Printers to access the printer's queue. Click the Printer tab in the top left corner of the window to access printer status options. Select Cancel All Documents to remove all pending print jobs from your queue. Click Yes when asked to confirm and clear all stuck jobs. Press the power button on your printer to turn it off. Then turn it back on after a few seconds. Go back to the Epson firmware update window and click the Start button to begin the firmware update process. Once the update finishes successfully, click Finish to close the window. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.